Madison. Madison. Can you put them diapers back where you got them from? Yeah. Okay. So as y'all can see, it's nice and whipped. I love the way it feels. It's like butter, baby. So I'm just gonna add this back in here, and then I have these containers that I want to fill as well. I should go through this, I wouldn't say super fast, but like I'm gonna be using this every single day on me, on Madison, my hair, my skin, my belly, my breasts, my butt, my thighs, my love handles, everything. So this is the part that I do not like at all. When I'm cooking, I like it because I can just eat off of this part. But when I'm freaking making this, I don't like this because it's like you really got to get up in there and try to get everything off. And it's so oily, it's hard to get it clean. But I'm going to wipe this off with my hands, like pull it off and just put it all over my belly. It's from Madison because you all know she had surgery. And so she has a surgical scar on her neck. And her therapist, they're saying like, you know, we could do massages, make sure you keep it moisturized, She was like use cocoa butter and stuff like that. So I have shea butter. She said that's good. Any type of, you know, those butters, those thick creams, just keep it moisturized. So doing that, I'm going to look up some more oils I can use for scars. I know almond oil is really, really good for your skin. And that's why it was taking me so long to whip my own shea butter, because I was like, I gotta find this almond oil. Then sometimes I would find it, most of the times I wouldn't. And then when I did find it, no, did I even find it? I just never found it. I could probably go to Whole Foods and get it. I just never get it when I'm there. I don't know why, but see, I'm getting everything off of here. I'm just gonna try to get this into the tub because I got a lot on my belly already and I don't need that much. But I don't want to waste it, y'all. And so this huge tub is going to be, I'm going to keep this white one downstairs from when baby's downstairs and she's with her dad and I'm gone, or just she's downstairs in the kitchen or in the living room playing, and we could just keep putting the cream on her every like 2 hours, every 3 hours, just whenever we get a chance, and massage her neck. Then I'll keep that upstairs for me and her so I can rub my belly and I can rub her neck after her showers and put it on her skin, put it in her hair, things like that. In between everything, and then this little small one that I made, I'm gonna just take that to work. And I figure, because I work 12-hour shifts, so I figure like it'll be good for me to take to work and have it there. Like if I feel like I need to, you know, put some cream on my belly, like why not put some shea butter on my belly while I'm at work? Because I'm there for 12 hours, so I can apply it twice. I usually apply my shea butter twice a day anyway, so yeah, that's that. I'm moisturizing the belly. About to clean this up. Madison is her playpen. She ended up eating, I need to do a video of like me and my toddler, what we eat in a day, vegan edition. I'm gonna do that. But she ended up eating that orange, some bread, like a slice of bread, and like 2 or 3 like little baby spoonfuls of peanut butter, because I wanted her to get some protein and kind of get full, and that protein will help her be full, plus she needs protein. So it made a lot. Like, I still filled this up. I mean, there's some air pockets, but it feels so good, y'all. It melts so well into my skin. Highly suggest that you whip your own shea butter. Like, you don't have to buy it super expensive. Just, I think this tub cost me maybe $10 for the tub. I think it was less than $10 though, actually. So I got that. Ended up filling up these containers. This is gonna last, you know, for a minute. I don't think it's gonna go bad because we're using it every day. I use it on her skin, in her hair, whatever. Still have this thing full of freaking shea butter I need to pull off and put it back in this container. But yeah, that's that. And I am signing off, y'all. Let me know what y'all got going on. Y'all know I be needing to talk to y'all. See what y'all got going on. See if where my head is at. If y'all head has been there before. Have you been feeling kind of... Y'all know how I am. Like, I like to be productive. I told y'all that during Vlogmas. But I want to have a different mindset. I don't want to just be so busy for busy's sake and be like, oh my gosh, I'm just so busy. I want to be productive, you know? Like, not just running around. And I want to make fun of it. Like, I want to enjoy things more and not just be so task oriented. So that's that. I don't know, I'm just rambling. But thanks for watching, y'all. Hey y'all, so we just left Target. Before that, we went to appointment for Madison. She's asleep right now, otherwise I would have her in this video with us. But she took a nap on her way home. I'm just putting some shea butter on my belly. See, I already got stretch marks on the side, and I'm just gonna put some on my belly. But I just want to show y'all what we got from Target. I think I'm gonna take something back. I don't freaking know, y'all. I be so, like, I kind of felt rushed because Chris was there. And he was like, are you ready to go? I'm like, go get the stuff that you need to get and then come back. He's like, no, we'll wait. And I'm like, oh, okay. But anyways, let me show y'all what I got. Tummy is itching. Alright, so I got just some stuff for myself. I got just some Dove soap. I've been using mostly black soap lately, but I was like, let me just try, you know, since I'm here, let me grab this. And I watched, you all should go watch the YouTuber Faces by Frankie. We used to work together. She's a nurse. She only worked at my job PRN, so I never see her for real. But we're supposed to be doing a video together. She need to get her life right so we can do this video. But anywho, she has natural hair, and one of the suggestions she was saying is to do deep conditioning and to wash your hair, have a wash day, which y'all know how my schedule works. I just do what I do when I do it. But I was like, you know what, I can just pick one designated wash day because I do have like a block of days off per week. So my wash day is going to be Wednesday. No, today Wednesday? Yes, Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. I'm going to wash my hair today. And she was like, do a deep conditioner, because I was not doing deep conditioners at all. So I got this Cantu, because I'm already using the Cantu leave-in conditioner. I actually like the way it works. So I got this one for $1.25. I'm going to try this. And then I already had this conditioner, leave-in conditioner, which I really like. And then I got this a few days ago. I don't know if I talked about it in the video, but I had watched someone else's video and they were like, get this, it works so good. And then somebody I work with, she has really long, pretty natural hair. She was like, get this, it works so good. And I was like, I don't know, but it smells good. This natural souffle, coconut souffle. Smells good. Okay, let me cover it back up because all the product falling out. But I'm reading it and it's like you can, it says it's just like, it's a moisturizer. So Hope I'm not too loud, wake the baby up. Let me close this door a little bit more. But anyways, it's a moisturizer, so I'm like, maybe I could use it as a daily moisturizer. But I thought it was like a styling cream. So I end up freaking, it says it has a soft hold. I end up buying this, like it's a 4-in-1 combing cream. So it's supposed to be a detangler and a moisturizer at the same time. I ended up buying this because it was on clearance. It's usually $10, it was $7. So it says it detangles without breakage, deeply moisturizes, enhances natural shine, and preps hair for smooth styling. So this is like a detangling cream, moisturizing cream, and I feel like maybe they probably do the same thing. And I'm like, perhaps I should take this back. Let me know if anybody has tried this by Carol's Daughters. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try this first, see how this works, and if I like the way this works, then I'm taking this back. So, and they had a lot of stuff on sale at Target, so I'm thinking if I take it back, then I'll maybe get like a shampoo conditioner combo, because they had some Carol Daughter, was it Carol Daughter or Shea Moisture? Anyways, they had some of their conditioner and shampoo on sale, and like all together it's like $13. So I was like, maybe I could try that. But this is the shampoo I'm using. This Castile soap. Yeah, so this is the shampoo that I use, and I just add it to water and put it in my, and it works good, and it lasts a minute for me. So I like using Castile soap as a shampoo because it's light, it goes perfect in the with water, and it's easy to use. But I'm like, maybe I don't know, I don't freaking know, y'all. I don't want to be too like product heavy, product junkie. I just want to find what works for my hair, keeps it like, I mean, I want my hair to grow, but right now I just want it to be moisturized, to look good, to have some curl to it, and to have some sheen to it. So I just really want it to be healthy. And the last thing I got, y'all, was this Venus bikini shaver, because I need to shave my cha-cha. But yeah, this comes in handy when you're pregnant and you can't do like Brazilian waxes and stuff. Some people still do Brazilian waxes when they're pregnant, but I'm not about to do that. I'm not about that life. I'm just not. So this is a good way to just stay trim and clean and fresh down there. So I did have, I'm gonna have to throw this out, and I could not freaking find this. I like this brand, and I just cannot find it, y'all. It's called Slio or Slio, whatever. I had it for like 2 years, and then it just broke. Like, it's just not right. Nothing about it is right. And I had batteries in here. I wonder if Chris took my batteries. I think he did. But anyways, I had batteries in there. This says it comes with a AAA battery. I hope it does, because I didn't buy any. And I'm gonna see how this works. I hope it works good. They did have a Gillette one where it had the razor at the top. Well, they had the bikini. They had this part at the top. Then they had a regular like wet razor that you could, like a actual razor that you put different heads on and, you know, use it afterwards. But I was like, how the hell am I gonna like shave and trim? Like, it's on the same thing, like it's gonna get wet. So I was like, how is this gonna work once it gets wet in the shower when you're shaving? Like, I just didn't understand it. It was cheaper, but I was like, that doesn't make any sense. So I just got this. Hopefully it works. It was $20. But yeah, that's what I got for myself. I'm gonna jump in the shower and wash my hair, and then use this deep conditioner and cover my hair up with a cap. I had to find it while the baby is asleep. It's down here somewhere. Ugh. This is the cap I'm using. See, it's a shower cap, and it's covered, which will help it to be really hot on my head, because I need my head to feel hot. So I'm gonna do that with the deep conditioner. Let that sit. I cleaned up my bathroom, so I feel good. Probably don't look clean, like all this stuff in the back, but I cleaned my bathroom, so I feel fresh. I can jump in the shower, and then when Maddie wakes up, she's gonna eat, and then hopefully I can be productive later on in the day. I need to drink some water. It's like 5 o'clock, 4 o'clock. It's almost 5 o'clock. It's 4:50. So anyway, I'm gonna jump in the shower, do all that. I don't have any regular conditioner. Is it okay to not have regular conditioner? I just use conditioner and then leave-in conditioner. I mean, I just wash my hair and then put in leave-in conditioner. Like, should I use conditioner too? Gosh, I don't know. But I'm gonna use these products. I'm gonna keep this in the bag just in case I decide to take it back. And that's all she wrote. About to use this too before I jump in the shower. All right, y'all. Peace. So I've been having this conditioner in my hair for like ever. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's super thick, like super thick. And I concentrated like back hair because my hair is like really dry. So I'm gonna wash that out and then wash the inside of this and let it air dry. Like turn it out, you know what I mean? Let it air dry. And going to attempt to define these curls. But I really don't want to do it before I go to sleep because I'm just like, yeah, I'm gonna sleep right on them. So I think I'm just gonna wash this out and leave it at that because my scalp is itching. But it feels super soft. As you can see, the curls are popping. Hair is definitely curly. It just looks crazy right now, like a little cray. But I'm gonna wash this out and go from there.
Still mad?